Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices, charge them, and update system software so the transfer won't fail midway. Once done, connect both to the same reliable Wi-Fi and open Move to iOS on the Samsung. You should begin iPhone setup until you reach Apps and Data, then select Move Data from Android. This generates a temporary code. You do this because the code creates a direct, private connection and ensures your contacts, messages, photos, and accounts transfer securely. You will enter the temporary code on the Samsung and allow the devices to pair. This establishes a local Wi-Fi link that bypasses the internet for speed and privacy. Once paired, choose exactly what to move: messages, contacts, camera roll, mail accounts, and calendars. You can leave large apps for later. Make sure both screens stay awake and phones remain side by side. Interruptions slow or corrupt the transfer. You monitor progress and understand larger libraries take longer, so be patient. You finish by completing iPhone setup, signing into your Apple ID, and redownloading apps from the App Store because app installs map to iOS equivalents. Then verify contacts, photos, message threads, and mail accounts. Make sure iCloud backup is enabled so future restores are easy. If anything went wrong, try the single key troubleshooting tip. Restart both phones and retry. If the move to iOS stalls, update the app or switch to Smart Switch with a PC backup to move data safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.